Muhammad from the Philippines says, what is the best time to sleep? Now, this is not very clear-cut question, because times differ, people differ, and the preferences definitely differ. What was the preference of the Prophet ﷺ? It goes without questioning that the Prophet ﷺ hated sleeping before Isha. So between Maghrib and Isha, this is not a time to sleep. And hated speaking and meeting others after Isha. So this means that the best time to sleep is after praying Isha. Unfortunately, nowadays, cultures and communities don't follow this, except in maybe villages, in rural areas. But in cities, the average time of going to bed is like maybe 11 or 12 o'clock at night, midnight. Some people go even further. So as long as you are capable of functioning and observing your salat of Fajr and night prayer and tahajjud and waking up for dhuhr and the rest of the prayers, then you're okay to do whatever you wish, and Allah knows best.